Sennheiser HD650 headphones are quite capable of delivering outstanding audio, but unless you own high-end audio gear, you might not be able to get the most out of your investment. If you are looking for the best AMP for HD650, then you have came to the right place. Here is a list of expert AMPs that will be suitable for your headphones. The first one is Schiit Magni 3 Hertz 100% OP. This AMP has 2400 megawatt that converts into 32 ohms and also produces low distortion sounds. This provides low floor noise and supports up to 120V power supply. RCA audio input and output are available. This AMP utilizes super high quality parts including a multiple parallel output stage with feed forward. The second one is Mika Origin G2 High Resolution USB. This Studio Master grade digital audio playback supports high resolution PCM audio up to 240, 24-bit and 192 kHz. The stereo analog line level and combination optical SPDIF digital output, powerful built-in headphone AMP supports 16600. Headphone selectable USB or optical SPDIF digital input for flexible source connection. High-speed 480 Mbps audio controller and Wolfson stereo converter are also available. Advanced audio stream interface support includes both ASIO and WASAPI push event output modes. The third one is Monolith Liquid Platinum Headphone AMP. It has an embedded tube or hybrid amplifier. The Liquid Platinum gives you the beautiful sound of tubes together with the grant of solid-state circuitry to drive the headphones. With multiple inputs and outputs for balanced and single-ended operation and easy front panel input selection, the Liquid Platinum is compatible with just about everything. The Platinum is ventilated with two long screen slots on either side of the top and large screens on the bottom to ensure that it is well cooled. Ensure your amplifier has enough space around the vents and is not in a sealed enclosure. The Liquid Platinum has a built-in slow power on. It warms up the heaters first and then, after a short delay, brings up the SS rails and tube HV, protecting the internal circuitry during startup. It also includes a connection delay to the headphones and an active offset detector just in case an internal fault or source fault applies too much DC voltage to the output. It immediately disconnects your headphone. The fourth one is Little Dot Tube Standard Hybrid AMP. This one is actually a hybrid transistor vacuum tube headphone amplifier that offers versatility and incredible sound quality in a tiny footprint. It provides analog input or output system that comes in both 100 volt and 200 volt options. Clear and undistorted bass at high volume can also be listened to this amplifier. Highly modifiable unit for enthusiasts are also provided. The last but not the least, Duke Audio U3 Mini Class Headphone Amplifier. Adopting innovative circuit design DC 520 volt wide input working voltage. The amplifier circuit can always work at a high voltage of 26 volt and the background noise index is excellent. With wide frequency response extension, excellent transient response, excellent purity and transparency and good dynamic range can be found in this amplifier. Adopting original classical OP AMP and transistor expanding current circuit using 1300 milliampere large current output transistor working in class A status with ultra low distortion, and the sound is warm and delicate, full and mellow. Pluggable OP AMP socket design convenient to upgrade different OP AMPs and bring much DIY fun and playability for audio mobiles. Smooth and mellow sound suitable for listening to vocals or string music, classic or pop music, and even with unique charm when playing rock. Mini size with exquisite appearance and most cost effective brings big surprise for all audiophiles. Easily to drive most headphones in the market, providing larger power, better sound field and details, very suitable for home or office desktop audio system use.